think so?
I don't know. I'm more out and tired.
Tired? We just getting started. Well, folks, we did it. We're back. Yes, we are.
Thunderstorms.
We are back. Yeah, and guess what? We bought a real boat. We bought a real boat, Mikey.
If it floats.
Well, see, the problem is now we got more stuff than we ever had, don't we?
Yeah, take a couple more days to load it up.
Yeah, it took us a long time to load this thing up, I'll tell you what. Well, let's go see, can we catch a fish?
On Labor Day?
No, it's 4th of July, Mikey. 4th of July.
Oh, I thought it was Labor Day.
He still thinks it's Father's Day.
It's Labor Day.
Yeah, Mikey gets a little confused. You folks stick with us. I hope you don't get confused on the water. It's been raining all day long.
Did you see that lightning?
And better not be no lightning, because I ain't going out there in no lightning, Mikey. I don't see no lightning.
A lot of lightning out there.
Nah, no lightning. We're headed to the creek. Well, actually, we ain't headed to the creek today, are we? Where are we going?
I don't know.
Going to the ocean. Going out yonder. Well, we made it. Got Captain Mikey over there. Got my broke foot there propped up on the console. Let me tell you something. I've been through something with that thing, I'll tell you folks. Had to even go get an MRI the other day, and they closed me up in this pancake looking thing. And I don't like MRIs. I don't know about you all out there. I'm a little bit claustrophobic. They can have that mess right there. And then they decided to do two MRIs in one day. I said, you know what, folks? I'm over this mess. I'm over every bit of it. I got to get back to the creek. So that's where we are. Look at this, y'all. We even got a top. Check it out. We got one of them fancy tops, y'all. I don't know how to act. I really don't. Now, I'll be acting some kind of funny here if Michael don't find a gas station. Because you know what Mikey did? He didn't put gas in the boat. Now, you cannot make this up, okay?
It's on water.
I do not make this stuff up, all right? Got out here, Michael says, oh, he said, I don't know how much gas is in this thing. I said, well, when we bought it, there was a little issue with the fuel gauge, you know what I mean? And I said, the man said, don't trust that thing. Mikey said, well, it's full. I said, but don't trust it. So now we're out here on the water having to look for a gas station. Y'all hear me?
Good. Somewhere.
All your fault, Mike. It's your fault.
I think this one runs on water.
Captain Mikey,
Runs on water.
from somewhere up the creek.
Yeah.
Didn't get gas for the boat today, y'all.
I forgot.
I'm telling you. I don't know where he got his captain's license. I don't know.
Right there.
They need to fire that school. You hear me?
I can't see.
Oh my God, and that's another issue. Mike's gone and got cataracts, and now he can't see. So not only am I out here at the mercy of no gas, but Mikey's having trouble with his vision. So I'm having to do all the seeing for it. It's a little different than my kayak there, y'all. And that John boat we got there. This thing will get up and go. I ain't gonna lie. Michael's already talking about me driving. I said, yeah, I can do that. We'll be going about 150. Because I don't take no time getting to where I got to go to that fishing hole. But I'm gonna tell you what, 4th of July is pretty out here in Beaufort. You're in Beaufort. Beaufort, North Carolina. Look at this, y'all. Check it out. There's the Island Ferry. There's Mikey trying to figure out how to work the hummingbird. Huh? You know how to work that thing, Mikey?
No,
Yeah.
I don't.
What?
I don't.
Yes, you do. Don't you be lying to those people.
There's the beer barge.
Hey, now wait a minute. We gotta stop that. We got the beer barge over yonder now. See? I don't drink beer, Mikey. I don't drink them. I don't drink beer. Say what? Hey, y'all. Hey. I hope they ain't out of gas. We can't help them. We can't help them a bit. Be a bad guy. Mikey, there's gas station. There's gas pump. I found the gas pump right over yonder, Mikey. Right over yonder. Right there. Right there, Mikey.
Where?
Over there.
Can you see how much
Michael,
it is
you
from
got
here?
to go in that place there.
Can you see how much the gas is from here?
Yeah, it's time for me to get my Medicaid. Over yonder, Michael. You got to go over yonder. I'm gonna need my Medicaid for days up. I'm feeling it coming. Boy, it's pretty here. It is pretty here. It's pretty here, Mikey. It's pretty. Look at there. It's so pretty. See, it says gas, Mikey. A red sign right up there says gas. Gas. G-A-S, Mikey. See that? Gas. That spells gas. Gas, Mikey. Go get the gas. Now, we got all these fancy restaurants up here in Beaufort, North Carolina. Check this out. We got Moonrakers right here on the water. Yeah. Moonrakers. Yeah. I smell food, Mikey. I smell food.
Yeah, how much is your gas?
$5.85 a gallon.
Oh, yeah.
We'll take it.
Yeah, I got
We'll take it. It's better.
Yeah.
I don't want to have to walk on water today like Jesus did, you know me?
It's working. The tank's right here,
Okay.
which is the best way for me to pull in. Right here.
You can pull in right here.
They told Mikey he could pull in right there, but I don't think they know who they're talking to. Before we're out of here, he might take the dock and everything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That was a big rain shower we had earlier.
It was.
$5.85 a gallon, I'll tell you. This ain't cheap. When you get a boat, nothing's cheap.
Yep. Cut it off right at 30 for you.
It might be almost full. I'm not sure.
Well,
Dad, he ain't.
Find out, won't we?
Let me tell you, they got all these nice fellers out here helping you put gas in your tank. This reminds me of what it used to be like in the old days, Michael, when we could drive a car up to the gas station.
Oh, yeah.
And you toot your horn and they come out and they get you gas for you. Well, look at here.
It's like Mayberry.
I'll tell you.
It's like Mayberry.
All righty.
We'll find out, won't we?
yeah, we will. Be in the movie? You gotta put
Oh,
that's
okay.
the liability thing. I'll watch that.
Liability. Liability.
Well,
Do you know he has no ability, liability?
don't
Y'all don't know who you're talking to, do
Gives
you?
me a hard time.
That's Mikey.
That's what
That's
she's
Mikey
supposed
from
to do.
somewhere up
That's
a
her
creek.
job.
Yeah.
That's Mikey right there, and he
You'll
can't.
get one day.
He's definitely a liability.
Are we going to be in a movie?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
You sure are.
And you're definitely dealing with Mr. Liability. I trust me.
Look, I'm glad that is not a rival because that's the reason that we have that.
Oh my.
Some people like to pump gas where gas doesn't want to go, and then it's a problem. They're a movie bomb.
Their name ain't Mikey, is it?
I tell you what, let me know when I get 7 gallons.
7. 7's a lucky number.
Sir?
You want me to cut it off at 7?
Yeah, just holler right before you hit 7 gallons.
7 gallons. How far is 7 gallons going to get us, Captain?
Not too far.
Ah, better go to 10.
Oh, it is? I'll tell you what.
Go to 10.
Let me go to 10. 10 gallons. I
10
thought
gallons.
it was full. Yeah, that tank, it's not working.
See, I told you. I told you. What? Lord, help me, Jesus. I need a little help in this world. I'm gonna need a little help, y'all. You got to help me out there, really. We got to do some talking to Mikey and get him on the ball with the gas. Hold her, he says.
I'll tell you, hold it for like 1 second. Almost. Oh, a little bit more. One more though.
That's good enough. Hey.
Y'all see what I deal with. You see, first trip out in the boat. Where are we
I
at?
used to
The
do-
dock.
I used to
The
do
dock.
some things, but-
Yep.
Yeah,
Getting
it's
gas.
not working because I didn't move that needle.
Y'all help me, Mikey.
How am I going to figure out the gas tank?
Are you going to... Mike,
Huh?
Mike. Let me ask
I
you a
got a
question.
feeling we're going to have to go rob a bank
Mike,
somewhere.
you going to believe me about the gas from now on?
Yeah, but I don't understand how when you turn the switch on it goes to full. Looks like if it won't work it would just go to E on it.
The man told you the thing don't work.
But it goes to full when I turn it on. When I turn the switch off it goes to E.
You gonna catch the fireworks in the water tonight?
We are.
I hope
There's
so.
going to be more fireworks on this boat.
Going back down.
Sign it good now, Mikey.
They're heading home, huh?
Put your John Doe on there now. Put your autograph on there.
Yeah, that's part of it.
Okay. All right.
Yes, sir. I appreciate that, man.
No problem.
All
We
right.
appreciate you all.
Thank you.
No problem.
You'll be on somewhere up a creek. Well, that was interesting.
Oh, yeah.
Can you back her up, Mikey?
Not too good. That's a little one.
I'll tell you what, that food smells good. Got food, they got beer, they got everything.
Got it.
I about need me a margarita about now. About 2 or 3. Because now Mikey's got enough gas to get me out yonder to the ocean. And going to the ocean with Mikey, I got to be brave. Brave, I'm telling you, brave. I'm going to catch a big fish today. That's what I want to catch. A big
Lord,
fish.
have
Big fish,
mercy.
Mikey, that, when you come back in your reincarnation life, I can see you doing that up there. Look at them pigeons up yonder. Them pigeons living up there on them poles, see? You want to come back as a pigeon, Mikey?
Yeah.
Look at that, they got it made. They're living up yonder. They're living up there. Yeah, I always thought it'd be nice to be a pigeon. All you got to do is perch. Perch and run around tell people stuff.
I tell you what, I can't get over that gas needle because it sure looks as if it works.
Michael thinks everything's supposed to work.
It sure looks like
Just
it.
because it looks nice don't mean it works.
But it don't work.
It ain't, sure don't.
Now,
Because we was empty and it's a good thing I said get to the gas station.
I don't know if we were empty or not. I couldn't tell.
Well, the man said, if you were able to put, let's see,
Well, you're talking about a 60-gallon
if you were
tank.
able to put $50 worth of gas in here, $5.85 a gallon.
That's $6.
We need our mathematicians out there. Help us out on that one.
Well, that's $60.
With a 60-gallon tank on here. Right, 60 gallons.
Yeah, that's
You sure?
10, that's $60.
That's a bit, that's a
That was
big
only
tank.
10 gallons, and you're looking at
Yeah,
a
I'll see that.
60-gallon tank.
Look. You got the people out there on the beaches and purdy out here, Mike. It's purdy.
Yeah, he's a fisherman right there.
That he is.
He's caught fish.
We've kayaked a time or two out here, hadn't we?
Oh my God, yes.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna miss my kayak, y'all. I had to put her up for sale. I'm so heartbroken.
bet they're hard to do on the toy.
I'm broke. I tell you, I'm broke, and it's going to be tough. It's going to be real tough on me.
God, look out there.
But I don't think I can. Until my foot gets better, do it. Not right now, anyway. I can walk across the street. Foot swells bigger than the toe. Ain't that right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
You gonna be able to get me somewhere today?
I don't know where I'm going.
I don't know where I'm going. He sure don't know where he's going.
I don't know what I'm doing, dude.
What do you mean? I don't know what you're doing. No, I don't know what you're doing.
Give me that drink you had.
Hey, go get my drink. Let me show y'all something. Let me show you something. Look at here. My daughter got me this. This is the awesomest cup ever. Look at that pretty cup right yonder, y'all. With music notes and everything. Does that fit me or not? I'm telling you. Now, Mikey, I put a drink in it, and he's been drinking. Mike, what are you doing? It's my cup. That's my drink. You can't drink and drive.
There's not in it.
You can't drink and drive, Mikey. I gotta put my drink over yonder so Mikey will leave it alone. I'm gonna have to fill it back up again.
Where's your pee bucket?
What? Oh, I got me the nicest bucket, folks. I'm going to tell you what. Look here. Hand me my bucket, Mike. Everybody's got to see my bucket. It ain't full of water. I poured the water out. I told Mike, listen here. I told Mikey, don't he dare let me catch him on my new bucket. And if you all want to know what I'm talking about, well, just step on over yonder to the channel and put this one on your bucket list. He ain't gonna be putting that one on nothing. No, sir. Well, Mikey ain't allowed on my bucket. Y'all ain't gonna believe what Mikey said. He said, you reckon this thing was empty? He said, do you reckon this thing was empty? I ain't touching that one with a 10-foot pole. Now, for all of our viewers out there, that place right over there on my right is called Radio Island.
How many people do you think's out here?
A lot. Check that place out, Michael. That's Radio Island. We are approaching the Beaufort Inlet. You know, there's a group called the Beaufort Inlet Fishing Group. We have arrived. The port wall. This is what you call fishing the port wall. Y'all see that? A lot of flounder around here. Here's the deal. You can't keep them. You can't keep one. Maybe you can keep one. Just messed up. It's all messed up. Really messed up. I'm getting the heck beat out of me up here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you what. This ain't my kayak up the creek. I'm telling you. I'm gonna need hip surgery for this over with. Wait a minute. I got a bite. Hold it. Hold it. I got a bite. Mikey. I got a bite. What'd you say?
They said they've been catching some real big sharks up there.
I don't want no shark now.
Watch out.
I don't want to blast a shark now. I'm not having none of that today. It's 4th of July. I don't need no shark. Shark, no. Listen, y'all. I need me some Dramamine. I'm about to get sick. Mikey, we got too much wave action. Woo! Let me tell you, folks something. I'm dragging a mullet down this wall here. Right down yonder. See it? See it down yonder? Huh? Hoping to catch something. I don't know if I will or not. What do you think, Mikey?
I think it's,
Huh?
I don't know. I think we need that boat right there. If that one don't rock. You can show them that boat right there, the big with the red bottom on it.
Let me tell you something.
Well,
We need a ship. We need a ship now.
Look at the size rod and reels he's got on there.
Hey, I'm getting seasick.
You see that?
I'll tell you what, I'm a rockin' 4th of July. Now we had to move from that location because it was rough. Too much boat traffic out here on the 4th of July. You got to be brave to be out here today, or stupid. One or the other. Pick your choice. Captain Mikey, what do you think?
Well, I don't know which way to go.
Right, left, up, or down?
I have no compass on here.
Compass? I thought you could go to the ocean without a compass.
Well, when the sun gets where it's at now, I can't judge it.
Oh, God.
The sun's got to get low.
Let me tell you something, y'all. For the first time, he needs the sun. Yeah. I'm going to tell you. It's been cloudy today. It's rained. It's rained a pure flood. I'm talking about Noah's Ark flooding. This 4th of July here in this county. It has. I don't know about your... Hey, Mike, we got right over yonder. It's not rough over there. He's always so negative. See him back there jibber jaw and complain. He don't even know. He don't know. He don't know. He does not know. Turn that beach finder on.
Yeah, I got it on.
See? You don't even use equipment. We got equipment on this boat. We don't even use it. Because he believes his head can tell him where the fish are. Yeah, it's hot over here now. It's blazing.
Over there.
Hey, that's what we need right there.
Here's two rocks over there.
We need that boat right there.
Lord have mercy.
Look at that. Whoa, Mikey, don't run in that dag busted wall. Hey, slow her down now. There you go. Hey, look. Do you see Baker on that wall? Look.
See what?
My name's on the wall.
Where?
Or is that Laker? That says Laker. I'm sorry. That says Laker.
Somebody been around down in there.
Somebody been up in here. Y'all ever heard of the yellow submarine? We found a black submarine. Look. You think I'm kidding? You think I'm joking? Look right yonder. See that right there? Right there. Black submarine.
Somebody's
Check
in there.
that out. Good Lord.
They're anchored over here.
Huh? Is that a submarine, Mikey, or is that just an anchor?
I don't know. It looks like
It's a marine cushion, Mikey.
Oh, it looks like a
That's a
food.
marine. It was a marine cushion.
Like a food.
Mikey told me it was a submarine. I'm sorry, y'all. I did not mean to inform you. I did not mean to wrongly inform you. It's a marine cushion, not a submarine. Mikey didn't get out much. Mikey,
Hold that for me.
hold stuff. Why have I always got to hold stuff for you?
I got to teach you how. I have to teach you how to get off. These are called leaders, but you got to have. Where's my volume at?
You need some,
Where is?
because I'm telling you what, I'm still rocking.
Where's my volume?
This boat is
Can't
still
put it back
rocking.
in here like this. Like, nothing goes back in a pack.
Huh.
Not the way they say. You open it up and you can't put it back
Take your
in a pack.
leader. Mikey's trying to fix me
What
up.
have you done?
He's trying to hook me up with a fishing rig. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. That's pretty, Mikey. That's right. That's right. Pretty there. That's pretty. Let me tell you what. Might catch a flounder with that. Catch a flounder, can't keep him. I like the sound of that. I hadn't heard that sound in a long time. Did you hear that?
What do you mean we can't keep him?
That sound right there. I like that sound. I like that sound.
Why can't you keep a flounder?
Because the marine fisheries won't let you, Mikey.
No, it's open season on flounder.
It ain't no nothing.
Come on.
They won't let you do nothing.
Where's
nothing,
the music
nothing.
coming from? There's the game warden. Here he comes. He's gonna give me a ticket. I can see it. I can smell it. He's got his little pencil and pad out. Look. I see
Smells it, all right.
He's got his pencil.
Probably telling the truth.
Oh, I know I am. Look at him. He's over there
around
right
here
look.
somewhere.
He's going right. He's got his pencil. And he's
We're
got
still
his
sitting on the wall, y'all.
at the wall.
Y'all see that wall right there under?
The wall.
That submarine's still sitting back
Now
there.
let me
Says submarine.
show you.
Still sitting back there, y'all.
This is what I was looking earlier.
Michael, we're sitting on
For
the
you to catch
300
a
block.
big. Watch
The
out,
300 and the
watch out, he's
350.
cranking that motor on that boat out there.
What motor?
On that ship behind us. Look.
Just cranking
He just
no damn
cranked the
motor.
motor.
Ain't nobody cranking no motor.
Don't you hear that motor
being
run?
cranked up in your mouth.
What did you do with it?
Mike, hurry up now. I got to rest
What'd you
my
do
foot.
with it?
You're sitting in my seat now. I'm sitting in your seat. You're sitting in my smoke. You in my seat.
This is what I was talking about.
What are you
Now,
talking
what do
about
you
now?
think that might catch?
Well, the way my luck's been going today, nothing.
King mackerel.
Nothing.
King
I ain't gonna catch
mackerel.
nothing.
Ow!
Hey!
Oh gosh!
It got you in the leg, didn't it, Mike? Got you in the leg. Hey. Yeah. Pull them pants up. Pull them pants up, George. Pull them all the way up.
Oh!
Pull them all the way up there. You need you some of them water you know what I'm talking about. What do you call them things? Suspenders. Now look, y'all. Mikey, he's gonna fish from the front of the boat. Let's see how big a pinfish he can catch. Catch him, Mikey, catch him. Come on now. Reel him in. Reel him in. Ain't no fish. So, I'm doing what needs to be done. This is what you do when there ain't no fish. Right here. See? And they're low salt, so they're healthy. Yep. Lightly salted. Let me tell you something. There ain't no fish out here. I've quit today. Let Mikey do it. Get him, Mikey. Get him. Get him. See, the fish have left today. Too many boats. They got the heck on up out of here. We have rocked all day long.
Now you gotta let it sink to 50 feet.
See, Mikey and I are waiting on that fireworks. We're gonna have a romantic fireworks display from the water tonight.
What's that guy doing standing
We got
up over
potato
there?
chips. We got fried chicken. We got sandwiches. We got snacks. Mikey, I even brought you a Hershey bar. Yep. It's not as good as me though. Like, wait a minute. There's some on that.
Oh, it's
Some on that rod. Well, y'all, we struck out at the port. So, we are just riding around. It is 3 hours.
See that fish I caught over there?
You ain't caught no fish, Mikey. You ain't caught no fish.
Ain't gonna be no wind over there, but
You couldn't catch a pinfish over yonder. Nope. So we're gonna try a little old drum hole that we know about. Just mingling around, because Mikey said he needs some fried chicken. So he worries more about the chicken than he does the fishing. That's Mikey.
That chicken went way up too, didn't it?
Whew, I'm gonna tell you. Well, so far, we have had a great day. We just haven't done anything, have we, Mike?
I ain't seen nobody catch a fish. Matter of fact, I ain't seen nobody fishing. I haven't seen no one actually fishing.
We're just enjoying ourselves today. Just sitting back, taking it easy, enjoying the boat.
I think they're sitting up there waiting for
Hey.
fireworks.
We're still eating good. We're still eating good.
Yeah.
Don't call the doctor. Blackbeard is in the house. Hey, baby.
He's coming.
Hey, sweetie pie.
He's gonna
love
get
you.
mad if I tell you I wish Sissy was there.
Oh, I bet you do. I bet you do.
Side by and gonna be mad.
What do you think about it, Mr. Mikey?
I think it's awesome.
Awesome.
I can't get a better view than this.
No.
I think they're heating up the stove over there that they light them on. See it?
See the smoke?
Yeah, what is that?
It's the stove. I don't know, Michael. Why don't you go on over yonder and check it out?
Look. See them lighting them
Why
up.
don't you go on over there and check it out, Mikey?
See?
Yeah, I see it.
Oh my God.
They're tooting their horns, Mikey. You got a horn to toot, Mikey?
No.
They're tooting their horns. Woo! Yeah.